I literally can't get it in the frame because it's like stupid tall.
Yeah.
There you go. Work it.
Product contains chemicals known something cancer.
It makes me think of the commercial. If you or one of your loved ones was diagnosed with mesothelioma.
This is massive. Should we use the tomato knife?
Do it.
Nope,
Oh, that was flimsy. Packaging looks good. Like, I feel like they really put some heart and soul into this.
They was really trying to protect my stuff. As I always say, fragile.
Garrett, why?
I go with care.
Oh, I cannot believe you just did that. Little Judy chop.
Staple it. Wait, what the heck? Who do you think you are?
I'm just ready to see it.
This is way too exciting. What? Hey,
I wish you'd fine dine me this way.
Hey.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Was this more exciting than the Cobb unboxing?
Absolutely.
We're gonna do an install on Wednesday, maybe.
I was gonna say that.
Nice. Oh, that looks so satisfying. I want to do it. Oh.
My goodness.
Alright, I'm over it. I don't even care anymore. It is 48 degrees. Oh, you're such a trooper.
Gotta do what you gotta do. This'll work. We'll just bring this one down. Wow. It's gonna be a minute. We have to first take off all these tabs. I think there's 8 of them. So these are the rubber mats they gave to sit there to kind of protect your paint and also to protect the bottom of this carbon. Just gonna go in there just like that.
Ooh, my baby draws like Da Vinci.
Yeah. That's actually really smooth.
I think it reminds me of those.
Sorry. You okay?
Oh my god, you broke my elbow.
Are you okay?
I'm forever gonna have PTSD from your trunk.
I'm sorry. Now we're gonna use the unit bit to kind of drill that hole out to make it kind of look like a factory hole. Yeah, that'll be good. Cool, that actually looks really good. This tape was a very good idea. This is so stressful. This is so easy, but very stressful.
Okay, so we have both sides mounted. Now Garrett's going to get the wing so that we can have a moment of truth and make sure that everything fits up correctly. This side we did have more issues with the bolt that Garrett drilled. It did not go through so smoothly, but we finally got it, so now we're going to test it out.
Just in case.
What?
Is it on the inside or the outside?
Probably outside. Let me hold one side over here.
Oh shoot. Spray that on. Yeah. Bring it.
It's the week. It's like a meeting call.
I still believe you out there fighting for me. Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Or have I been deceived?